Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix load failed error code E 0-0. So without further ado, let's get started. So what you need to do here, you need to open up Xbox app, then press on your profile on the top left, then you need to go to settings, then you need to go app, and then you should see offline permissions enabled. Enable this option here, and then just launch the game in offline mode. And once the game is launched, you can go back here and enable online mode. So look if the game is running and you getting error here or not. And if the problem still persists, go online again with the app, then press here, go to a support, then go to gaming services repair tool, and then start repairing. And wait until a repair process here is done. And after it's done, you need to restart the app and look if the problem persists after that or not. Another thing that you need to do here, you need to open up Windows PowerShell, PowerShell. Make sure to open as admin, and then you need to put these two commands. I will leave these two commands in the video description below so you can easily copy and paste. And then let's put another command here. Enter, and then let's put another command here, and then Windows just gaming services app will appear. Press install, wait for a couple of seconds until installation process is done, and after that relaunch the app and look if the problem persists or not. And if you're using Steam, you need to go to the Forza Horizon. Let's see, it's Forza Horizon. Go to properties, install files, browse. Then you will see exe file. So what you need to do here is to right click, show more options, properties, compatibility, and make sure to run as admin, apply OK. And then just look if the problem persists after that or not. So that's pretty much it.